called the office yesterday that this lady has hung herself in the house that today she's going outside from the house without clothes like this. I don't know what happened to her really.
Then she called her family, she's very okay. This girl, maybe they just kill her. Not hang her.
Nobody killed her. Nobody killed her.
But why
she called her family?
Why?
Nobody killed her.
Why?
She hung herself in the room with Sheila.
Why you take to Oman? I bring this girl to Dubai. Why you take to Oman?
She agreed. We don't take someone by force. She agreed. She said it's okay, no problem.
But this
she agreed.
Break her phone.
She agreed. This man paid was to buy for her. Okay.
Now what I do, my friend? This is a big problem for me.
She just hung herself. She say yesterday when I'm talking to her on the phone, she's not in her normal self. It's not about the phone only. She's really, she say for me, she's crazy.